Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Lloydminster, Border City. Today, look at this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 3.5-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps. And over to the side, we have 19-inch aluminum wheels with Goodyear tires, as well as chrome handles and chrome mirror caps. This 2021 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. Making our way to the interior, you'll see driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options on the left and a medium hands-free option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror, while with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2021 F-150, you can see it has 31,183 kilometers on it, as well as over its interface, the options available such as our audio, phone integration, navigation, vehicle settings, applications, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 Platinum, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.